Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Parker, Cultivating the Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to properly share and unshare files with people that you want to collaborate with. So this is just named Google Sheets. I'm going to change it to Collaborate. And over here, I'm going to share it by clicking on the blue Share button. And there are multiple ways you can share. If I want to share it directly with specific people, I can add their email address here. If they are not a Gmail person, you will get a warning about that. So I'm going to purposely use a non-Google name. So I'm going to hit enter after each one. So that's one. Because I've used this email before, it will automatically know it. Right now, I've added these people, and the pen here means that these two people would have editing rights. If I click on the drop-down arrow, I can change it to can comment or can view. So right now, let's say I'm going to say that they can comment. I'm going to put a note here because they are going to get an email letting them know that I have shared this with them. Okay, now I'm going to hit send, and that will be sent off to those two people. And here it's shared with two people. When I go back to the share button and I hover, it says it's shared with two people. So it gives me fair warning for what I've done. It always defaults to editing. So you always have to be careful that you don't give full rights right away. Down here where this advanced button is, when you want to remove rights or change rights, because maybe Eileen FP at Yahoo commented about something and it's something that only she can change. So I can click on this and I can give her editing rights right here. Notice I can also switch ownership while I'm in here. That if you are in a Google for Apps organization, you won't be able to change ownership outside of your organization. But if you have a non-organization, you'll be able to switch owners anywhere in the world, wherever the person is, it doesn't matter. So again, if I want to switch or change rights, I'm going to click on the share button. I'm going to click on the advanced button. And then here at the drop down, I'm going to give editing rights to one. Maybe I want to give viewing rights to the other. Okay. And then I'm going to down here hit save changes. Now right here, there are some owner settings, prevent editors from changing access and adding new people. So normally if you give editing rights, the person is equal to you, but you can check this off and they won't be able to do that. And then you can also disable people from being able to download, print, or copy. And so if I do that, that is usually for people who are selling things and they don't want other people to download them and use them. There are other ways to copy it, but you at least have that option. And then I can hit save changes to that. And so now, and then I'm going to hit done. People are restricted as to what they can do.